Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Amplify CLI for React Cloud deployments, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, visit the official Node.js website and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Next, verify the installation by typing node v and pressing enter. This command should display the version of Node.js you just installed. Now, let's install the AWS Amplify CLI globally. Type the command npm install g at AWS Amplify /CLI in your terminal and hit enter. This command may take a few moments to complete, depending on your connection speed. After the installation finishes, verify that the Amplify CLI is correctly installed. Type Amplify v and press enter. You should see the version number of the Amplify CLI displayed. Now, you need to configure your AWS credentials for Amplify. In your terminal, type Amplify configure and hit enter. This will direct you to your browser to log into the AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS account credentials. Once logged in, you will need to create a new IAM user with administrator access. After creating the user, take note of the access key ID and secret access key. Return to your terminal after obtaining these credentials. Follow the prompts in the terminal to provide your access key ID and secret access key. You may also be prompted to set the default region and default output format. Choose your desired region, such as US West 2, and set the output format to JSON. Once you have completed the configuration, your AWS Amplify CLI is ready to use. Now you can initialize a new React project if you haven't done so already. Use npx create React app your project name to create a new React app. Navigate to your project directory by typing cd your project name. Next, initialize Amplify in your React project by typing Amplify in it. This command will prompt you to answer some questions regarding your project setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.